Hey everyone, this will be a pretty quick unboxing here of the mint green, or the mint Galaxy S23 FE. It just came out today. This is $600 here in the US for the base version, which is 120 gigabytes of storage with it. Otherwise, you can spend $60 extra and get 256 gigabytes of storage. Opening up the box, you can see it peeping out at us there. On the other side, like they like to kind of hide it in the box weirdly, if you ask me. We have our SIM card ejector, which is nice. It still has a SIM card, unlike some other brands that are doing away with them. And we also have our USB-C to USB-C cable right there, along with some paperwork. Getting to the phone itself, we'll lift it on out. There's nothing underneath the phone. Of course, there's no charger these days. Let's try to get it out of this very nicely wrapped. Nice wrap. Very, very wrapped. Nice and protective wrap. And there we go. And flipping over there. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty well. It's kind of like a, I would call it like a creamy or like a milky green. Pretty cool. So it is, and there, get too close, it looks kind of white. So it is mint. It's a very, very nice color. Looking on over here, I do love the silver outer ring. That just looks really nice. You, of course, have your camera cut out there. So on this side, we do have, I thought that was a volume rocker. That is not a volume rocker. Let's see, we have our ports here for your SIM card port. Looks like a mic right there. Here we have our volume rocker along with power button. USB-C, of course, and one speaker, so they're not trying to fool you with the looks of two speakers. It only has the one speaker cut out, which is nice. If you guys know what this is, let me know. And of course the back here has the 3 cameras and your flash. All in all, this is a very nice looking phone. Again, this is $600. Again, S23 FE. Like I said, just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned, I'll be doing a bunch more videos on this phone. Let me know what you all think. Thank you all very much for watching. As always, I appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.